Good evening. Jurors in the Robert Tellis trial deliberating for hours this afternoon. No verdict yet. Thanks for joining us here at 6. I'm Denise Valdez.
And I'm Brian Loftus. Jurors pausing deliberations to ask questions. We're just getting word now from our team that deliberations just finished up minutes ago. 8 News Now investigators in the court all day long. We start this evening with Vanessa Murphy. And Vanessa, no verdict yet after day 11.
That's right, Brian. No verdict just yet. We just learned jurors are being sent home for the evening. They're expected to be back here at 9 a.m. Now, many people thought of this as a slam dunk case for the prosecution, but I can tell you there was a jury question which may show otherwise, that these jurors are paying attention to some new information offered by the defense. Now, defense attorney Robert Draskevich presented a screenshot during his closing statement showing a vehicle which is similar to the suspect vehicle. Draskevich saying the driver appears to have hair while Robert Tellis is bald. Prosecutor Chris Hamner during his rebuttal saying the vehicle appeared to come from a construction zone and it's just similar, while he points to all of the other evidence like Tellis's DNA under Jeff Gehrman's fingernails, video, photos, and more, and also expressing Tellis's claim of being framed sounds ridiculous. Draskevich telling the jury police can make mistakes, though.
This is the question that is so destructive to this defense. It's his writing that shines a light on his behavior. He is sought out by the co-conspirators to do this. And he admits, and he admitted on the stand, one of the rare times he admits it, he admitted, yeah, his writing was the difference in the election. That's why I lost. I got that out of him. He was at least willing to concede that. But for Jeff Gehrman, he's still a public administrator. His writing is why the defendant is out of the job. And therefore, under this theory, he's got to be the one who's killed. That's his reward. He's collateral damage.
And you should take into consideration the evidence that they've presented to you. But by the same token, you should take into consideration determining whether or not they have proved their case beyond a reasonable doubt and they have the sole burden for the production of evidence. Ask yourselves what evidence is missing.
Closing statements finished at 1. The jury then having lunch and beginning to deliberate. Jeff Gehrman's family is here at the courthouse. Everyone's been waiting. My estimate is the jury so far was deliberating for about 4 hours. Again, a lot of people thought this was a slam dunk case for the prosecution, but also acknowledging you just never know. Reporting live in downtown Las Vegas, Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.
And that is a good point, Vanessa. Now, as soon as that verdict comes in with deliberations just completing, we'll take you live to Vanessa and Kyle. They'll be at the courthouse. They'll bring you reaction from those involved in the case on air and online.